Exercise 11.2, question number 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on a concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Okay. So basically, what we have to do? First of all, we have to make a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So first step is making a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Make this. Everybody make a circle of radius 4. What we have to do? First of all, make a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Then with the same center, make a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Okay. After doing these two steps, take any point on the outer circle. Let it be B. Join this to the center. Join OB. Now obtain perpendicular bisector of OB. For obtaining perpendicular bisector of OB, take a compass and pencil. Keep fixed end of compass here. Make an arc here this way. ठीक है, आर्क कितने का लेंगे? मोर देन हाफ ओबी, मतलब ओबी को मेजर कर लो. सपोज ओबी 4 सेंटीमीटर है तो ओबी का हाफ होगा 2 सेंटीमीटर. 2 सेंटीमीटर से थोड़ा बड़ा आर्क लेना है. ओके, सो मेक एन आर्क greater than half OB. Similarly, a arc here also. How? By keeping the fixed end of compass here and making a arc with pencil this way and this way. Again, keeping fixed end of compass here, cutting these two points this way. Join these 2 points. This will give us the center. Let this be center C. With BC as radius, complete the circle. So we'll complete the circle this way with BC as radius. Okay. Now this points which we got, name them B, P and E, or D and E, sorry, D and E. Join BD and join BE. So BD and BE are required tangents. BD and BE are required tangents. Okay, now one thing, you can join this point also. Okay, this point and this point. Okay, now in this triangle this angle will be 90 degree. Okay, measure BD. Everybody measure BD. Okay, now BO is 6 centimeter, OD is 4 centimeter. So we can obtain BD by Pythagoras theorem. BD square will be equal to BO square minus OD square. BO square is 6 square minus 4 square. This will be equal to 6 minus 4, 6 plus 4. That is equal to 2 into 10. So BD will be under root 20. Okay, under root 20 will be roughly 4 point something, because square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5. So it will be 4 point something. Okay, the exact value you can obtain by obtaining square root of this number. So, and now measure the with a scale, what is your BD coming and is it same, is it correct or not? You can verify. Okay, so everybody complete this question. It is 4.5 roughly. Okay, so draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So first step is making a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Okay, then take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center. Okay, so first step is making a circle of radius 3 centimeter, making its diameter. Now from center, make a line whose distance is 7 centimeter from O and extend it on other side also. Its distance is also 7 centimeter from O. Okay, so let this be P and Q at distance 7 centimeter from the center. Do this first of all, then I will tell you how to draw the tangents. Okay, so obtain point P and Q which are at distance 7 centimeter from the center. and the
Ma'am, can you
radius.
explain this question from beginning?
So you have to just make a circle of radius 3 centimeter. After making the circle, make its diameter. Any diameter you can make and extend that diameter such that distance from the center O to P is 7 centimeter and O to Q is also 7 centimeter. Okay. So what we'll do? Obtain perpendicular bisector of PO. So for that what we'll do? PO का हाफ से थोड़ा ज्यादा लेंगे और वो कंपास और पेंसिल से मेजर करेंगे. So suppose PO is actually 7. So take more than half. 7 का half 3.5. So take a arc of 4 centimeter on your compass. Okay. Keep fixed end of the compass here and make a arc here with pencil. Keep fixed end of compass here and make a arc this way and cut this arcs. Join these 2 points. Okay. After joining these 2 points, let this be M with PM as radius and M as center. Draw a circle. Okay. So what we have done? We have obtained perpendicular bisector of PO by taking more than half of PO on the compass. Keep fixed end of the compass here and cut an arc. Keep fixed end of compass here and cut the arc. Keep fixed end of compass here and cut the arc. And fixed end of compass and cut the arc and join these 2 points. Okay. Now with PM as radius, okay, and M as center, draw a circle. Name this point C and this point D and join PC and PD. These are the required tangents from P. So PC and PD are tangents from P. Okay. Same procedure we'll do on the other side also. We'll first of all obtain perpendicular bisector of OQ. For that, we'll keep the fixed end of compass here. Take more than half of OQ. So take roughly 4 or 4.5 centimeter. Fixed end of compass here. Make one cut here. One arc here. Okay. And fixed end of compass here. And cut these 2 arcs. Join these 2 points. Okay. Let this be point N. Making ON as radius, N as center, make a circle. N as center and ON as radius, make a circle. Name these points as R and S. Join QR and QS. So QR and QS are required tangents. Okay, and you can highlight this because these are the actually required tangents. So QR, QS, PC and PD, these are the required tangents. So you can highlight them and you can highlight this circle also because these are the main things. Rest all we have drawn just for construction. They were not asked, these 4 things were asked, a circle and these other 4 tangents. So that we have drawn. Next question, question number 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Okay. So basically there is a circle, okay, of radius 5 centimeter. We have to draw a pair of tangents and these tangents are inclined to each other at 60 degree. Okay. So if I draw the rough figure, okay. So one easy way to draw this is, ये देखो, अगर ये 60 डिग्री है तो ये वाला एंगल क्या होगा, कोई बता सकता है? This is a quadrilateral. So sum of all 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360. This is 90. This is 90. This is 60. then this will be 120. Okay, means basically this both are forming 180, so this both will also form 180. Okay, so this angle is 120. So best method to do this question is, first of all, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So first of all, draw a circle. Okay. After drawing circle, just make join a radius this way. Okay. And after joining, you have to make a 90-degree angle here, 120-degree here. So how you make 120-degree angle, you do know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, suppose we have to make a 120-degree angle, we make a arc here. Then without disturbing the compass, keeping the fixed end of compass here, we make first arc, and we make the, keeping fixed of end of compass here, we make second arc, and we join these 2 points. First one is 60-degree and next one is 120-degree. Okay. So what you will do is, first of all, make a arc here this way. After making the arc, do not disturb the compass. Keep fixed end of compass here, and with a pencil make a arc or make a cut here, and make another cut here by keeping the fixed end of compass. So this will result in 120-degree angle. This will be roughly this way. Okay. So 2 arcs this way. Okay. Now at this point we have to make 90-degree, and at this point and this point we have to make 90-degree. So for 90-degree, make a arc this way. Make, without disturbing the compass, make the first arc, then the second arc, and from these 2 points again make 2 arcs. Okay, and join this way. Similarly, you will make 90-degree here also. So 90-degree will come this way, 90-degree will come this way, and this both will automatically form a 60-degree angle here.